Hello, third graders. Welcome to third grade. First of all, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mr. Carey. So today I will be making a place value video on expanded form, standard form, and place value blocks. You might remember some of these from second grade, but pretty easy stuff. I just want to start off nice and easy for you. Okay. So here we go, quick review. So you probably all remember a number starts with the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and then you might see a comma, and this year we're going into the thousands. So if I had a number like 258, I would have 200s, 5 tens, 8 ones. What if I had a number like 3,588? Now, a lot of times when kids come to third grade, they get a little confused when it's the thousands. Let me show you a trick. What I like to do is cover up the back, the hundreds, and say 3,000, take a breath. 3,000, then just say the rest. 588. So 3,000s, 500s, 8 tens, 8 ones. You might remember in second grade using place value blocks, okay? The square would be the hundreds, the line would be 10, and this little guy would just be 1, okay? So these are the place value blocks. Now this year we're going to be drawing place value blocks, and we don't have to get fancy. So say I had to write a number like 258, well I would do 2 squares, 5 tens, I like to just do lines, and 8 ones, I usually just do dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Place value blocks. You probably remember that. I know some of the teachers last year called them hamburgers, French fries, and ice cubes. That's cool with us. So those are the basic place value blocks. Now, what might be new for you this year is standard form and expanded form. So standard form, it's just a regular number. So your whole life, you've been calling numbers numbers. They're actually, when you're calling in like math words, you would call it standard form. So like 142 in standard form, well, it's just 142. 1 in the hundreds, 4 in the tens, 2 in the ones. Or 356, well, it's just 356. It's just like a regular number. But the actual term we use is called standard form. Now, the next one is interesting. It's called expanded form. It's what we do is if you take a number and you have a number and you take it apart, it will still be the same. So think about this. If I have $1, like a $1 bill, and I split it into 4 quarters, well, 4 quarters is still $1. Or if I split it into 10 dimes, well, 10 dimes is still $1. Or if I split it into 20 nickels, 20 nickels is still $1. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be splitting the numbers up. And I wanna show you a trick that I think is awesome. I always tell the students in my class, just say it's slow. For example, if I have 142, just say it slow. So 142 is 100 plus 40 plus 2. So you just need the plus signs in between. So 142 would be the same as 142. So we're splitting up the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. We're just taking them apart. Okay? So if I have 587, just like you say it, well, it's 500 plus 80 plus 7. Okay? Or if I have 356, just say it slow. 300 plus 50 plus 6. And this is expanded form. Now, sometimes the kids get a little messed up when they're like, well, what if there's a 0? So I have 408. Well, you can do 400 plus 0 plus 8. But do you really need that plus 0? Not really. You need it there in the number to hold the space, but you could just write 400 plus 8. That's all. I hope this was helpful. I can't wait to work with all of you this year. Enjoy your day. Talk to you soon.